In this video, I want to show you how to screen record on your iPhone 16e. I'll show you how you can enable the mic so whatever you're speaking gets recorded on the screen recording. So to do that, drag down from the top right corner, and from here, if you don't see the screen recording button, I don't have it right now, you'll need to add it. So tap the plus button on the top left corner, select Add Control, and over here in Search Control, you're going to type Screen, and you should see screen recording appearing. Tap on it, and the icon will be available. You can place it where you prefer. You can even make this icon larger by dragging the corner if it's something you're going to use often. Now, if you want to record using the mic, you have to keep press this icon. And over here you have microphone off, because by default, the mic won't work during a screen recording. To turn on, simply tap on it and it will become red. To start the screen recording, well, press Start Recording. It will give you a countdown. And here you go. Right now, it's currently recording. And you can see over here, the time is red and it's pulsating. This simply means that the screen is being recorded at this time. To stop the screen recording, simply tap on the time and press Stop. And you're going to see screen recording video saved to photo. You can tap here and it will bring you directly in the photo gallery, or you can go manually. Okay, photo gallery. And here you go. This is our screen recording. By tapping on it, you'll be able to see whatever I got recorded. And if I add volume,
that the screen is being recorded at this time.
You can hear me speaking over the screen recording. So this is it. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.